Part 7. Drawing the tiles within the garden path. So the draw tiles and draw subroutines are used to draw and calculate the circular tiles for the path. Draw a row of circular tiles. The circular tiles are drawn at a given distance along the path specified by its first argument, and the row is offset perpendicular to the path by a distance specified by its second argument. Each circular tile is drawn within the outline of the garden path based on the values obtained with the GP user subroutine and stored in the global variable defined earlier. As each row of tiles is drawn, each successive row that is drawn is offset to cover more space and make a more pleasing arrangement. So in the code window, click on the end sub statement of the DrawOut subroutine and put in the following code. One, and save the project. Calculating the rows of circular tiles. The draw subroutine draw only a single row of circular tiles, but can be used with a while loop to repeatedly draw all the circular tile rows. Tiles in adjacent row form equivalential triangles and shown in the previous illustration. The edges of these triangles are equal to twice the tile radius plus the spacing between the tiles. Therefore, by trigonometry, the distance along the path between rows is the sine of 60 degrees multiplied by this quantity, and the offset for odd rows is the cosine of 60 degrees multiplied by this quantity. An if statement is used to force the offsetting of every as a row. If the offset variable is equal to 0, set it to spacing between the center of tiles multiplied by the cosine of 60 degrees as explained earlier. If the offset variable is not equal to 0, set to 0. This alternates the offset of the rows as you want. In the code window, click at the end sub statement of the row subroutine and press enter twice and put in the code. And save the project. And that's it for drawing the tiles within the garden path, which is